under the Technology and Livelihood Education Exploratory course of Electrical Installation and Maintenance for grade 7 students. You may refer to your learning modules while we discuss this lesson. A multimeter or a multitester, also known as a VOM or a volt-ohm-millimeter, is an electronic measuring instrument that combines several measurement functions in one unit. A typical multimeter can measure the voltage, the current, and the resistance. Generally, we have two types of multimeter, the analog multimeter and the digital multimeter. So the analog multimeter uses a microammeter with a moving pointer to display the readings. Digital multimeter, the DMM and the DVOM, have a numeric display and may also show a graphical bar representing the measured value. Digital multimeters are now far more common due to their cost and precision, but analog multimeters are still preferable in some cases, for example, when monitoring a rapidly varying value. In this video, I am going to discuss about the different parts of an analog multimeter like this one. So I am going to use this replica for this video. This is an example of a multimeter. This one is a replica. It has different parts. The first one is this needle-shaped like rod called the pointer. It moves over the scale of a meter. It indicates the measured values on this reading scale. The next one is the scale, which is in this part. It is a series of markings for reading the value of a quantity. As you can notice, it has lines. This one is used to measure the resistance, and this is to measure the voltage. The next part is called the range selector knob or the selector switch. The selector switch makes it possible to select different functions and ranges of the meter. Now, for example, you may move it to the resistance or to the alternating current or to the AC, to the direct current or the DC or to the voltage readings. The next part is the adjustment screw. The adjustment screw makes it possible to adjust the pointer to the zero position of the scale. The 0 ohm adjusting knob is used to zero in the pointer before measuring the resistance. Then the next ones are called the test probes. We have two kinds of test probes, the red and the black one. The test probe positive is the red one, then the test probe negative is the black one. So, the test probes are used to connect the circuit to the electrical components being tested.